Well, let's take a look at the SinoTruk HOWO 4x2 truck carrier. Number 1 chassis system. Engine 060 diesel engine and 380 horsepower. Drum design 4x2 drive. The wheelbase is 5250mm and matches a 10-speed transmission. Climb 35% for mining area. Carry capacity 300mm. Double partial trip girder. Overload capacity 25 tons. Number 2 Superstructure. Crane type XCMG HQA204 straight bone crane. 8 tons 4 section arm design. Container design 7600 2500 350mm. The side panel is removable. Stay form for TGP container shipping. Okay, thanks for watching.